Unboxing AQUA multifunctional electronic pipette. What's in the AQUA box? AQUA electronic pipette, an ergonomic design equipped with motor-controlled piston operation, eliminating the possibility of human errors. Let's begin by opening the box and check the documentation before first use. The AQUA box includes Product Operation Manual, Microlit Welcome Card, Calibration Report in accordance with ISO 8655 standards, one USB cable, one external detachable rechargeable battery, one adapter either of Type A or Type C. Note, adapter types can be arranged as per user's requirement. One centrifuge tube with grease, standard tips, and AQUA multifunctional electronic pipette. Let's revolutionize the lab world. Get exciting demos and exclusive offers as we bring the future of scientific discovery into your hands. For more details, email us at info@microlit.com or visit our website www.microlit.com.